Welcome everyone, TheDailyWoo here. Today's adventure begins at the corner of Sand Lake Road and International Drive. I have procured a piping hot beverage from possibly one of the busiest Starbucks that I've been in quite some time. Just over my shoulder there. I am going to be utilizing one of these scooters they have. I use this brand Newt around my new hometown of Celebration, Florida the other day, and I figured, heck it, why not expand over to other sections of the greater Orlando area and go down International Drive. I'm just gonna see some sights. Oh, that's good. I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? In case you were wondering where the official visitor center is, it's right over there. Now, I could have jumped on one of those scooters back there, but I wanted to finish my coffee first, so I'm just gonna kind of meander up the way a bit. Another ticket stand here. Orlando Ticket, not a stand, it's a store. A little bit of water in the road. I do not believe that is from rain, but from the sprinklers that are kind of oozing out into the street. Although it does look very cloudy, so might get a little precipitation today. Oh, got some tourists going up there on the Sky Flyer. No thank you, I'm gonna sit out on that one. No thank you. Yeah, that is up there. 300 feet, 400 feet, give or take, and just circling around. I have not built up the gumption to go on this quite yet. Maybe one day, but I don't see us happening anytime in the near future. Located in the Icon Orlando, formerly the Orlando Eye Park, this gigantic Ferris wheel, which I've been up in a few times. Looks as if they're still running the holiday train through here, even a couple days after New Year's. Still holiday train in full effect, the Pearl Express, they're calling it. It is showing there are quite a few all along I Drive, including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here that I have my choice of. I'm gonna pick one of these. I just realized I chose one without a kickstand. I can always switch it out if I need to. The name of this one is Abe. I guess Abe does not necessarily require a kickstand. Also, the brake is a little different than the other ones I used last week. It doesn't have a hand brake, it just has a little thumb brake. Right over here it states that the world's tallest slingshot and drop tower coming soon. Right here to Icon Park. That'll be exciting. I like this miniature golf course, Pirates Cove. There is a full-size pirate ship right there and a waterfall, theming on point. A little bumpy through here in this cobblestone. Ooh, not so smooth on the cobblestone. There goes another mode of transportation around here, trolley. Hubgrass here. Very hubgrass-esque. The convention center, it's very artistic looking, kind of futuristic. Been to a number of events here over the years. None that are taking place currently though. Now crossed over the street to the West concourse of the same convention center. This whole area is very expansive. Looks as if at some point in the near future they're going to be redoing the sidewalk. I'm seeing a lot of these markings all around here. Even more examples right through here. See how they have it all kind of chalked up. Just kind of walking it through this section. It says caution. A nesting hawk is in this area. And judging by the way that gentleman is looking, swooping down, if I go through here at a quick speed, the nesting hawk might, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna walk through here. You're around nesting hawk? Also, this Dave & Buster's over here used to be Race Rock, way back in the day. I kind of find it most comfortable to ride with the feet side by side like this. Yeah, major development's gonna be taking place. Right? What have we here? Volcano Island. Wow. Quite a few helicopters circling over it as well. Well, they're just passing by. They're not really circling over it, but there are some helicopters overhead. Obviously, it's seen better days. Very fascinating. Dinosaur there. And over in this area, looks to be a mammoth. Just tucked away back here off International Drive. Kind of hidden. About a block off the main road. I drive right over there. Looks as if the river is dried up as well. Ooh, another dino. It's like a very angry one right over there, tucked away in the foliage. And the name suits it, because there is a volcano right up there. It's no longer being utilized. Definitely a volcano. I always see signs like this and I think about following the instructions that are listed. If I went in this IHOP and asked about their mini flavored milkshakes, you know, not to purchase one, but just, you know, following the rules of the sign. I went inside and just inquired about the mini flavored milkshakes they have in great detail. They'd probably be a little too busy to accommodate. I'm not gonna do it. Always a fun spot. Hogan's Beach Shop. It's not anywhere near the beach. I just hopped off the scooter. Technically, it's I think it was an old 7-Eleven. Hogan's Beach Shop. Pretty cool place. Just waiting to cross over International and Sand Lake again. And I'm gonna return it right over there. Waiting patiently at the light. That used to be the Epic McDonald's, and I believe it was also called the world's largest McDonald's, but they no longer state that anymore. Now that I've gotten back over here and I'm noticing all the other ones putting it back in its place, there is a kickstand. It's just kind of hidden. It's like tucked away underneath there. So pushing the kickstand down and gonna turn this off and be completed for the day. Looks as if the wind has blown those down. I'm sliding it to end the ride. It made the noise. Completed. Let's see exactly how much this ride cost me. Abe, the name they gave the scooter, Cost $30 and some change for an hour and almost an hour and 10 minutes. I went 5.6 miles and it cost me $30. Okay. That's gonna do it for today. If you're new here, please subscribe. By doing so helps keep you in the loop and update on future uploads here on this channel. If you enjoyed this particular episode, give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. The vlog is over. Well, those clouds are rolling in. The vlog is over. Yeah, that is something else. Just think, there's going to be a drop tower over there and the world's tallest slingshot in the near future to combat with this. Bonus footage. Like a glove. Oh yeah. Noticing the ones around Celebration, Florida are newer, faster, and in a little better shape than the ones on International Drive from earlier today. A little quicker too.